3, 2, 1. Welcome to 5-minute workouts on my 15-minute break. This series is all about introducing exercise to the person who doesn't currently do consistent exercise. All right. So it's just meant as a starting point to help you get from not moving to moving. All right. You may notice I'm in a different truck today. My normal truck is getting service done to it. All right. Sorry about that. My whole setup went over. So I'm going to have to go a little bit slower here. I cannot wait to be able to do this full time and have a designated spot to do these workouts. But you can just follow along over here for different variations, different regressions. The first round through is 1 minute, second round through is 40 seconds, all rounding out to the 5-minute time period. All right, the second exercise, we're going to slow things down a little bit. Let the heart rate reset. Opposite arm, opposite leg. So whatever leg I'm on, I'm going to reach out with the opposite arm, nice and slow. Feel the stretch in the back of your leg, your hamstring. Balancing on that leg. You get that foot. If you need to, you could hold on. Bring that knee to the front. Staying on that one leg. Reach. And then halfway through, which in this round is 30 seconds, you're going to switch feet. Reach out as far as you can. Feel the stretch in the back of your legs and those hammies. Right to the front. Very good recovery opportunity all the way through here. Okay. Challenges your balance. Reach out as far as you can as you progress. And that's good. We're going to go into crawl outs now. Similar to the burpee, only you're going to crawl out into the plank. And then crawl back in. And then back up. Squat. Crawl out. Back in. Up. You could increase your speed. Or you could even add a push-up at the end, whether it be a full push-up or drop to the knees first and modify. Something to get you moving. You're gonna feel it in your quads. You're gonna feel it in your core. Feel it in your shoulders. It's a full body workout in just 5 minutes, okay? The whole purpose of these exercises and workouts, for that matter, is to show you that there is time in your day. No matter how busy it is, my day is insane right now, insanely busy, but it's called 5 and 15 for a reason. 5-minute workouts on my 15-minute break. All right, let's do it again. So basically, 5-minute workouts on my 15-minute break means that you can do these, get a little movement wherever you can. Now, I understand if, you're surrounded by people all day, or you work a certain job where you can't really get a moment to yourself. But there's in your morning, right? Or at your afternoon, at home. These workouts don't take very long. So ideally, they're meant to be done 2 to 4 times a day. Well, I went over the time. But if you're not doing anything right now, it's better than nothing. It's just something to get you started, like I said before. Okay? That's all it is. So we're going to switch 20 seconds through now, since it's 40-second rounds. Pretty straightforward. But yeah, many people like to make excuses that they don't have time to do something. It's not about having the time, it's about having the priorities. Okay. Now, and even though exercise doesn't account for many calories burned in terms of weight loss, like you can't out-train a bad diet, right? Or eating habits. Even though that's the case, moving more will help you in a lot of other areas in your life. Okay. Even just like getting more steps in your day. This is an alternative to that. Like if you can't like get outside as much, you know, since it's winter time, or if it's colder out, or if you don't have a dog or something, you can't really get outside. This is an alternate to that as well. So hopefully this helped you out today. If it did, please leave a like. It really helps show it to more people who might need it. And subscribe for more workouts. I'll see you in the next one.
Hey, thanks so much for watching, everybody. If you want to see another video that pairs well with this workout, click the video right here. See you in the next one.